said I was a savage. Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh.
What is up? It's your girl, Rachel. So let's talk about, I don't really watch Black Ink Crew. Like, I don't watch it. I've tried to get into it, but I just couldn't. But I seen the part, Monday's episode, where Duchess was opening up her Pretty in Pink in Charlotte or whatever. And Donna decided to pop up with a portfolio. Which, okay, yeah, whatever. To me, if you about your business, if you want a job, you pop up anywhere with your stuff. Like, I'm dead serious. Like, if you want a job, whatever. So apparently, Duchess didn't like it. Caesar didn't like it. So they both started going at her and wanted her to leave. And then they said that they threw her a tattoo shit out at Black Ink in Harlem, back in New York. Why would you tell somebody you threw their tattoo equipment out? And last time I checked, that shit's not cheap. If I was Donna, I'd be mad as hell too. I'd be wanting to fight both of them. Like, you threw my shit out there. I paid with my hard-earned money. Y'all threw that shit out? For real, for real? That's how you feel? Like, why? And then for Duchess to be like, Donna's work wasn't shit and it's not shit and whatever she said about it, that's mad disrespectful. Because I see potential in it. I don't have tattoos. I want one. But I saw potential in it. Like, she does more than tattoos though. Like, she can give you piercings. So I don't see why they didn't really utilize her at the shop. All they did was criticize her and call her the black sheep, call her the hoe and all this and that. I personally didn't like it. Like, that's why I don't watch the show. Because I think it's a bunch of stupid, ratchet, crazy. It's like, I watch reality shows. But if I see a show and they're bullying somebody, I really am not going to watch it like that. Because, I mean, that's crazy to me. Like, they treated her bad. They talked about her. They dogged her out. Talked mad junk about her. And then they go and... Sorry, somebody texted me. Then they go and throw her tattoo equipment out. And I know that stuff is not cheap. Why would you do that? And then, okay, they finally got her out. She finally left. Then here comes Duchess' mama. Like, really? You gonna come? Little old lady, go sit down. Grandma, go have, like, several seats. First off, go have, like, several seats. Caesar shouldn't have got up in Donna's face like that. He shouldn't have been talking shit about her like that in the first place. Because in all honesty, my person, Duchess and Caesar shouldn't be together because they both crazy. They're not good for each other. But hey, whatever, they can stay together. I don't really care. But Donna left. She was outside on the street corner, outside of Pretty in Pink. And here comes Duchess's mama talking to her. Talking about, you shouldn't have did this. You shouldn't have came with your portfolio. Why'd you even come down here? You wasn't even invited. But last time, in the last episode, wasn't Donna and Duchess trying to work on their relationship or something? Like, that's what I'm talking about. Fake and phony friends. Duchess was fake and phony to Donna, make it seem like she wanted to be her friend, but then turn around and dog her out the way she did in front of all the people at her shop. That is not a friend. That's fake and phony, and that's how I personally feel about that. Fake and phony. And Caesar ain't no better. And then Duchess's sister wanted to come for her. Talking about, I'm not Duchess. I'll beat your ass. Then jump, bitch. Ain't nobody scared. And Donna said her weave, get your weave blended. Her weave was not blended. I don't wear weaves, so I don't know, but it didn't look right to me. That's my personal. It did not look right to me. So then apparently, I guess Duchess was like, "Where's my sister at?" And her mama told her she's outside about to fight Donna. And then Duchess wanted to jump and talk about, I'm gonna beat that bitch's ass. Duchess gonna have like several seats because you're not gonna beat nobody's ass. She's not gonna jump crazy. You're not gonna do nothing. Go sit down. Have like several fucking seats because you're not gonna do shit. You're not gonna jump crazy. You just gonna bark and not jump. I can't stand that. If you're gonna bite, if you're gonna do something. Don't sit here and wait till the fact that your sister out there wanting to go jump and your sister didn't even jump. Then you want to go try to jump? No, that's some fake and phony shit that I don't like. And then Donna left. And they're like, she shouldn't have came, this, that. I be mad at the fact that they threw my shit out. That I paid for. Donna said, you gotta come back to Harlem. You right, she gotta come back to Harlem. And Donna better jump on it, because I would jump on that ass. Throw my shit out. What's wrong with y'all? I'd sue them for that shit. But yeah, that's my personal opinion on that Caesar, Duchess, and Donna fight from Black Ink. Don't watch. I watched that, saw that, and I just was like, I'm gonna have to come talk to my YouTube family about that because I don't like that fake stuff, and that was fake as hell. Duchess is fake as fuck. Caesar is fake as fuck. Cause that whole shit with him and Puma, whatever. If my friend wanted to go off and do their own tattoo shit and whatever, and we were friends for such and such a long time, I'd support them. But you know, that's a whole different story. But I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Love y'all.